फाइनली हम लोग वाइन टूर के लिए जा रहे हैं। कुछ लोग आगे निकल चुके हैं, हमें थोड़ा लेट हो गया। हम लोग आए भी थोड़ा लेट से थे, कर्टसी मेरे बाकी के लोग। तो वहाँ सामने वाइन टूर चल रहा है, मैं आपको जल्दी दिखाता हूँ।
Again, for the grape plantations, we don't give them proper food and water. We create food stress, water stress. Then only they struggle with quality. Let me tell you, company is a company. We got small machines only. Machine number 1, machine number 2. Machine number 1, machine number 2. So this is the machinery meant for crushing black grapes.
दिस इज़ द मशीन वेयर द ग्रेप्स को डाल के उसका पल्प बनाते हैं एंड वो पल्प इसमें जाता है। यहाँ पे पंप है, इस पंप से वो उधर जो टैंक्स हैं, आई विल शो यू सेपरेटली, वो उस टैंक्स में स्टोर होता है। इस तरफ जो मशीन आप देख रहे हैं, इस मशीन में जो ग्रेप्स जाते हैं वो रेड ग्रेप्स होते हैं, सॉरी ब्लैक ग्रेप्स होते हैं, और जो ग्रीन ग्रेप्स होते हैं वो इसमें जाते हैं। तो शैम्पेन बनाने के लिए ये मशीन यूज़ होती है और आपका रेड वाइन इससे बनता है। जब इसमें वो क्रश होता है, सो इट बिकम्स, उसमें जो उसका बीज होता है दैट इज़ नॉट क्रश्ड एंड फाइनली when it is pumped there is also a preservative which is added to preserve the pulp. And these are the tanks that I was talking about. These are the tanks where they store the pulp. This is empty.
Wine making process is silent worldwide.
ये खाली है। हाँ,
को देख के
स्वाति बोल रही है उसमें घुस जाने के लिए, सो वो घुस सकती है।
For cleaning purpose, no?
This is moist and cold. Guys, we have, sir, your name please.
Dr. Hemant.
Dr. Hemant. And Dr. Hemant, he's talking to me and he's an amazing man. So पहले मैं आपसे जानना चाह रहा हूँ कि how did you like the place? It's too much information, isn't it?
Yeah. The place is beautiful. We started with wine, small wine tasting in the beginning. Then we were given food here, which was fantastic. Good spread of veg, non-veg. Everybody can do justice to both the sides. And then we got started just now, half an hour back, on a wine tour, wine understanding tour, and the coach is fantastic.
I love the knowledge that he has.
Yeah. His wisdom is fantastic.
And if I learn like 2% of it, I can boast in front of my friends like, look, I know how to taste the wine.
Yes, that is true. And he has given specific information about courses of wine learning and wine tasting. And the peculiar information that I learned today was that there are only around 680-700 people around the world who are the real good wine tasters,
master wine tasters,
and they get paid for learning, boozing, whatever you call it. And
I wish I had that job.
That job is really something very, very privileged job, I must say. And there are a lot of guys around here who are enjoying this too.
So the best part is that the entire tour, one thing that I really understood, that this gentleman, he has amazing knowledge, isn't it?
Shashi is the name of this wine tour manager,
and he has an amazing sense of humor. I loved what he was saying.
Good humor and good technical knowledge and deep knowledge, I must say.
I am a bit fat to get into this one of these tanks, but I would have loved to get into this.
Yeah. See,
this holds around 12,000 liters.
Yes. It is this place is pumped with the fluid all the time through the wine crushing system, and that's how it gets. And we will call Shashi sir for a minute. Just 2 minutes. We want to add you.
Ji, I just wanted to have a quick so one thing that I must compliment, that you have an amazing sense of humor. I really loved listening to you all the way.
Thank you.
It's very मैं क्लास में भी इतना चुप के नहीं सुनता था जितना I have listened to you today. I understood the process and everything. So I just wanted to ask you a quick question. How do you remember all this?
By reading books.
Oh, great. And
right now with me I have got more than about 120 books about wines and alcohols.
Oh,
I read them blindly.
Great.
With investment of about 18,000 rupees, we can develop a lab at home.
Oh,
And even at home, we can do the wines more technically, scientifically.
so you mean to say that I can produce wine in my
Yeah,
home?
yeah. At home, we can do the wines for all fruits: pineapples honey, green tea honey, strawberries, cherries, apples, so wines from spices, everything we can do.
Lovely. And by the way, you were telling about some certification. Would
Yeah.
you be kind enough to
Yeah,
tell that on
the
camera?
course is called WSCT.
WSCT.
It is called Wine and Spirits Education Trust. Main autonomous body is in Britain.
Yeah.
We can do the course in India.
And you are also doing the same course?
I'm taking my third level shortly.
Third level.
Third
sure.
level.
And
We can do one can do the course in Bangalore. I believe in India we got about 7 centers.
7 centers.
Yeah. So in Bangalore we can do the course.
And the master level is the fifth level.
Fifth level.
Fifth level. And you are at the third level right now.
Third level.
But friends, one thing that is for sure, Mr. Shashi here
Yeah.
has an amazing knowledge on the subject, and everybody will agree with me.
Yes, that's true. अरे सब बोलो, सब ऐसे करो.
I mean,
Everybody
the way
accepts
he
the
was
fact.
explaining, I could make it out the kind of passion he has towards this. I was just dumbfolded, but amazing. Thank you so much for this tour.
And you know, one more thing, this subject we have to read them blindly. Then only we can understand. Of course, today we'll go for tasting. I'll guide you how to taste the wine technically, scientifically, how the production we do know. Those methods I'll be sharing with you. Next time when you go to official party, show the people in the party that you got knowledge about wines. And one more thing, trust me, the foreigners they don't have wine knowledge. Zero. We think no, generally foreigners have got knowledge, and 99.99% foreigners they don't know anything about wines. They know drinking only. They don't know how to appreciate the wines.
So अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं आगे वाइन टेस्टिंग के लिए, और उसके पहले हम लोग को पता चलने वाला है
शैंपेन के बारे में।
कि शैंपेन इतना बबली क्यों होता है।
Let's go.
लेट्स गो। वो पौवा जैसा दिख रहा है आपके हाथ में। प्लीज डोंट इंसल्ट द वाइन। ये बिल्कुल पौवा जैसा दिख रहा है आपके हाथ में। So these are the bottles on the shelves, and श्वेतांग जी पूरा ओके। और ये प्लास्टिक का है?
Any bottle of wine,
हाँ.
okay, it is any bottle of wine which is in plastic bottle, they are sweet wines.
So all these
Less than 500 wines are sweet.
500 से नीचे वाइन स्वीट?
All the wines are sweet actually.
ओके
I'm talking about big bottles, 750 ml.
ओके।
More than 750 wines are non-sweet.
More than 750 and non
Yeah.
sweet?
Again with the wines, the more the price you pay, better the quality is wrong.
Okay.
I tell the people always try to buy a bottle of wine price between 700, 1200. Many of the wines are fruity, extremely good ones.
Just for my curiosity, I gifted my wife Jacob Creek. Is that good or bad?
Good one.
Okay.
Good one. But the thing, first thing, today I'll guide you how to taste wine technically, then you'll
Okay.
understand, right? Now, to start with here, champagne. What is champagne? It's a wine only. What is champagne? Name of the village in France country. From Paris, at a distance of 60 miles, there's a village called Champagne village. In the Champagne village, what they prepare champagne, we should call them champagne. Apart from that area, if you use the champagne, we get a legal notice. We should call them sparkling wines.
Oh.
Now, champagne can be sparkling wines. Now, a sparkling wine cannot be champagnes.
Okay.
It looks silly. It looks literally silly. For example, this is the Champagne village. This is a different village. The only gap is National Highway 150 feet. If these people call them champagnes, they get a legal notice finished.
Okay. So that is patented in the name.
Not
of-
exactly patented. They got some GI tag.
Oh, okay.
GI tag. Now, why Champagne is unique? Basically, Champagne village is spread in about 87,000 acres. Champagne village is spread in about 87,000 acres. Okay, now in the Champagne, one more thing, Champagne village is owned by 15,000 farmers property. Champagne village is owned by 15,000 farmers. In the Champagne, in European countries, winemaking is government regulated. Companies have to follow regulations. In Champagne village, all through the year, temperature will vary between 10 and 12 degrees. Rarely it is 15. Basically, soil is almost white in color, so we call the soil as calcareous. Soil is rich in calcium content, seashells, minerals, and the soil is rich in limestones. And technically speaking, that whole village area was covered by sea about 40 lakh years. When the sea receded, this area got separated. This climatic soil conditions combinations, we can't get it anywhere under, only that village. We can make champagnes from any grapes, from pineapples, oranges, honey, name the grapes we can do, name the fruits we can do. But we keep the bottle like this upside down for about 30 days approximately. Daily what to do, we turn the bottle about 8 to 10 times like this. This method is called riddling or remusing. It is called riddling or remusing. When you do it slowly, from all over the bottle, sediments will come here. Can you see dead dish? Then we keep the neck of the bottle in liquid nitrogen, glycol, brine solution at minus 27 degree for about 1 hour's time approximately. Basically what happens, this particular area they freeze. They turn into ice piece. When you remove this cap, the sediments will pop out in the form of ice plug. Pop. Matter of seconds, with the help of the machinery, you pour the little amount of wine, you put the sugar, cork it, you put the metallic wire, they go to cellar area for 1 more year to settle down approximately. That's how to make a batch of champagne. Time frame they require approximately minimum 3 years per batch.
So you will keep on rotating it every day?
Every day about 4 to 5 times, 10
4
times.
to 5 times.
And of late, in fact, in the European countries they have, and the other parts of the world, they have come out computer machineries, which the machines will do. It is called, the machinery's name is called, I'll let you the name of that.
But here how you do it, is it manually?
Manually, India will do manually.
Okay.
Okay, then furthermore in Champagne village, mandatory champagnes have to undergo minimum aging of 3 and 5 years. Then only they enter the market. Mean to say, from Champagne village, if you buy English champagne, from the date of grape crushing, it will be about 7-year-old.
So it is automatically 7-year-old when I am buying it.
Grape crushing to aging. So when you fall to buy the oldest, it will be about 15-year-old.
And how long is just the aging part of it?
Okay, it is true we say as the wine ages it tastes good, but here 95% wines in the market available today, we have to drink them between 1 and 3 years.
1 and 3.
Only 5% wines made for aging purpose. Generally in the industry we say that good wines, the good wines are made in small quantities. Great wines are made in small quantities. So basically here, grapes how we grow, methods are different. We can't age other wines. Any of you at home, if you kept a bottle of wine, praised about 2,000 rupees for coming generation, don't keep it, open and finish it.
He keeps it for 2 years and drinks it slowly for 2 years.
I'll guide you, don't worry. We'll go for tasting some practicals.
I've done it with Baileys. I didn't know it's milk that here. I kept it once I kept in the fridge.
For 1 year, he will keep it in the fridge.
I'll guide you, come. We'll go for practicals.
That's a shocker for you.
That was shocker for me. The entire Baileys went for toss.
But in a week, you have to drink it.
Not always does the patience pay. तो भाई लोग जो लोग भी वाइन खरीद के अपने घर में उसको रख रहे हैं ये सोच के कि उसकी एजिंग हो रही है और अपने फ्यूचर जनरेशन्स को पास करेंगे बहुत ही महंगा वाइन का बॉटल, तो वैसे नहीं होता भाई पी लो वैसे एजिंग नहीं होती है वाइन की।
एक बार खुल गया तो गया।
और अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं वाइन टेस्टिंग करने। गुरुजी कैसा लग रहा है अभी वाइन टेस्टिंग? वाइन टेस्ट करना है, ठीक है, टेस्ट, remember the word taste. So in India, how many master wine tasters are there?
I think we have got about 9 or 10.
9 and 10? Oh, out of 600?
680.
680 in the entire world, we have 10 in India.
9 or 10 only.
Oh.
Among them, one person is by name, my very good friend by name Ajay Shah.
Ajay Shah.
He's extremely good, he's the best winemaker in the country.
Oh.
And he's an awesome wine taster too.
Is he hiding?
Yeah, in fact, this company we can't afford him right now.
No, I'm ready to work for free. That's okay. I can taste it and tell you this is real shit.
If so, you can take it. If so, you can take it.
So इतने देर से स्वाति नहीं थी, इतने देर से स्वाति नहीं थी, ठीक है। जैसे ही प्रैक्टिकल का टाइम आया स्वाति की और दीपिका भी आ गई। ओहो, कुछ मतलब इतने देर, ये पूरा पहले रिटन पेपर होगा उसके बाद प्रैक्टिकल होगा। तो इतने देर से स्वाति और हस्बैंड, स्वाति और दीपिका दोनों नहीं थे क्योंकि उस समय नॉलेज थ्योरी में चल रहा था।
Exactly.
है ना। अभी वाइन टेस्टिंग का टाइम आया, प्रैक्टिकल का टाइम आया, तो एवरीबॉडी इज हियर। बाय द वे, वी आर ऑल हियर टू टेस्ट द वाइन्स
Yes.
एंड यहाँ पे दीज आर द ग्लासेस। दिस इज द प्रैक्टिकल
We are all
थिंग।
excited.
Not excited for the theory, but definitely for this
We
part.
want to learn. We want to fail in the failure. We want to successfully fail today.
Successfully fail, right?
Let the small finger come down and bring the fingers as low as possible.
Okay.
Show me, sir, show me.
So like this,
Niche.
एक only नीचे and बाकी यहाँ पे.
Good.
Yeah.
She is doing it correctly.
I know, I'm just trying to ask.
Okay, so I tell
You
you.
are an expert. Assume
So
to
friends,
be.
I tell you, this is the best method, first option. Next option is this one. But here, I have no comments, you can drop them in your mind. But I have come across a lot of people, they hold a like glass like this. I think for me it looks too much actually. So never hold it like this. Never hold it like this.
I think this is a nice way to do
This
it.
way.
You have some support downstairs. Yeah.
अरे इसको लो ना हम वीडियो में लो.
Ah, lay down.
Okay,
That's
next
already
thing here.
The right technique.
The right technique. One finger down. One finger down.
So friends, okay, next thing being, friends, next time when you go to a party, make sure to fill the glass only 1/3.
Yeah.
Fill the glass only 1/3. The reason, we need space for swirling. Then we have seen movies, YouTube, videos, when you come across a lot of people, when they taste the wine, they swirl the glasses thoroughly, smell them. Wines. When you smell the wines from the wines, we can expect more than 120 different types of aromas. Some of the common aromas in the wines we can expect aromas of citrus, green apple, lychee, passion fruit, bitter chocolate, dark chocolate, coffee, cocoa, jaggery.
Today?
Let me continue.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. बोलो.
No, you can ask me later, no? Because I'll do the flow.
Sure.
Okay, we can expect aromas of some of the common aromas. About 25 I'm telling you. We can expect aromas of citrus, green apple, lychee, passion fruit, bitter chocolate, dark chocolate, coffee, cocoa, jaggery, mixed fruit jam, rotten banana, apricot, sugar cane juice, eucalyptus, menthol, cigarettes, tobacco, cigar boxes. Trust me, from the wines we can smell the aromas of petrol, diesel, kerosene, tar, sulfur, burnt mastic. We will explain the aromas of Badiwala vegetable market aromas.
Before Trish.
Wow, what a session it was. It was amazing session, very informative. मैं भी आपको बताता हूँ मैंने क्या क्या सीखा है कुछ major points में. But I would love to thank Mr. Shashi. Shashi is an amazing teacher. I could actually make it out a lot of things that he was telling and I could relate it. It's been a very informative session for me.
Thank you.
I'm sure I can't show everything to people until they experience it for
Exactly.
themselves. I would really request people to come over here or to anyone here, but in case if you want to have a question directed to Shashi, I'll share his WhatsApp number. You can expect a reply from him in the next 24 hours and
Exactly.
he's definitely gonna...
I answer every single question.
Thank you, Shashi. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure having
It was
this
a pleasure too.
interaction. Thank you
Of
so
course,
much.
the group is going to explain you.
So, just a quick bite for my... So, how did you like this session actually?
It was pretty awesome. I think this is my very first session. I have seen a lot of virtual tours. This is the very first time I'm getting it first hand. It was pretty informative, and if you're into wines, probably you should attend this one of such sessions.
That was good.
I never knew about wine, so at least I
No,
know
I had
something.
heard a
about-
lot of things,
Yeah.
but this much depth,
Exactly, yeah.
we never
Yeah.
imagined.
so I have some knowledge about it now to take away.
Thank you once again, Shashi. Thank you so much. Pleasure meeting you. Thank you.
Just put up that.
Whoa!
Sorry.
देखना here we have another one of our friends who was with us in the session. आपका नाम?
Hi Vishal, Vivek. मेरा नाम Vivek.
Oh wow, nice meeting you, Vivek. Give me a yeah. So Vivek, how was the total session? आपको कैसा लगा ये जगह? Would you recommend it to your friends?
Yeah, this is really a lovely place to come on weekends, like
Especially for couples.
especially for
and,
couples, family, everybody.
Yeah.
And the special ones, like those who love wine, who want to know about wine. This is the great place because the Shashi sir, who is the person who will take you to the entire tour, he has really amazing knowledge about wines, how to make wines, what are types of wines, how to smell it, how to enjoy it.
Now we can show it off
we
to our
can
friends.
show it
Yeah.
like what is wine and how to drink it, not just to hang over, but it was just to enjoy it. So it was
Thanks
really,
Vivek. Thank you. Lovely meeting you. Please look
same.
for my channel. Subscribe it.
yeah, thank you.
तो भाई लोग, चलने का समय आ गया है. अब बहुत अच्छा दिन स्पेंड किया है यहाँ पे. अब यहाँ से चलते हैं. थैंक यू सर. और बहुत मज़ा आया. बहुत घूमे हम लोग यहाँ पे. काफ़ी इन्जॉय किया. काफ़ी नॉलेज गेन किया वाइन के बारे में. आपको इसके बारे में अगर और कुछ जानना है तो मेरे कमेंट सेक्शन में आप कमेंट कर सकते हो. इंस्टाग्राम पे पिंग कर सकते हो. इसके अलावा मैं शशि जो इंस्ट्रक्टर था वहाँ पे, ही वॉज अ वाइन एक्सपर्ट. आई विल पुट हिज व्हाट्सएप नंबर इन माई डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. You can feel free to ping him. He will give you a lot of knowledge on wines. He's an amazingly knowledgeable guy, very passionate about wines. So that's all. So see you then. Tata, bye bye. Thank you so much for staying with this video. अगर अभी तक लाइक, सब्सक्राइब या शेयर नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, शेयर करो और मेरे चैनल को ग्रो करने में मदद करो दोस्तों. इसके साथ साथ बेल आइकन दबाओ ताकि मैं नेक्स्ट कोई वीडियो डालूं तो आपको एक नोटिफिकेशन ज़रूर आए. तो थैंक यू सो मच. सायोनारा, बाय बाय, गुड डे.